So as Jody mentioned previously, you know that one of our big challenges when it comes to enrolling for patients is getting the patients themselves involved. So here we have a list of patient-directed materials that NRG staff have developed for participant recruitment and enrollment. These are all very useful to use during the consenting process, and I'll just kind of talk through them quickly today. The first couple of items are really useful in the kind of referral and recruitment phase. We have the patient letter and the endoscopist script. The patient letter is CIRB approved. You actually saw it in Jody's presentation. This was developed in partnership with that site and is used to mail to potentially eligible patients based on previous colonoscopies that they've had, with contact information encouraging them to reach out to you if they are interested in participating in Forte. The next item is the endoscopist script. The endoscopist script is very useful when talking to GI physicians about how to introduce Forte to their patients who have had a potentially qualifying colonoscopy. I will talk about the FAQs on the next slide. So the participant contact card and I am on Forte card are next on the list. These are kind of small, I would say 4-inch cards that you can print out and distribute to your patients once they have been enrolled, consented, and of course randomized into each of their arms. The participant contact card has a little thank you and study coordinator contact information on it so that you can give it to the patient for them to remember that they are participating in the trial and what they're responsible for. The I am on Forte card is actually for a patient to give to their physician to inform them that they are participating in the trial, and also has study coordinator contact information in case the physician has any questions about their patient's participation. The next item is the stool kit shipping instructions. This is about 2 pages long and is a very detailed set of instructions for the patient on how to collect their stool sample and mail it to the site that is collecting it with NRG. The patients are using the Omnigene gut kit, so it's really helpful to have these detailed instructions for your participants to review. The last couple of items on here are the patient webpage and the patient brochure. This can be found online at nrgoncology.org/forte. It contains information about the study, the brief study description, some FAQs, and the clinicaltrials.gov website in case anybody is interested in looking at that. So to move on to the Forte participant FAQs, this document was developed by NRG staff to help answer many questions that patients have when looking to enroll into the Forte trial. This helps answer questions during the recruitment and consenting phase of NRG CC005. It covers information about the study, what it is, why it's being done. It covers eligibility criteria, costs and benefits associated with the trial. And actually on the bottom left, which is the bottom of the first page of the document, you can see there's a statement about the patient not being prohibited from receiving a colonoscopy for care purposes, as Jody mentioned, and that not only can we not prohibit them from receiving a colonoscopy for clinical purposes, but also that does not prohibit them from continuing to participate in NRG CC005.